squeezies, I'm back with another video, and this video is gonna be based of the drugstore items I picked up from Walmart today. And before I roll into the video or get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn that notification post on so you won't miss any videos I post or I come live. So do that right now. And if you're new, welcome, hello. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like, share this video, leave comments, and don't forget to turn your notification post on so you won't miss any videos I post. Same difference, but anyway, I'm feeling the vibe today. Show is, so excuse this like frisky wig because it's old and it's popping, put a little umph in it. So let's roll into the video. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show y'all is the things I got my baby for her birthday, and her birthday is Friday, which is the 16th, a day before St. Patrick's Day, and the 17th is her party, and she will be turning 3. So happy birthday, Emery. I love you, mommy love you, in case you watch this video in the future. But anyway, I got her these Paw Patrol rain boots with Sky and Marsha on it, and I don't know that little white dog name. But I forget. I don't watch it that much, so she probably know. But these pink boots, like for her to play outside and go outside. If I put a pair of Jordans on her, she won't be playing outside with them. No. Much money I spend on them. But anyway, this is for her. Yep, play outside with the aqua blue, teal, whatever color at the bottom. And I also got her some Paw Patrol socks with the same thing, Sky, Marsha, and that little white dog. And I don't know that dog name. I'm so sorry. I'm just all over the place, but she would love these. The next thing is her baby socks. Minnie Mouse is her baby because she walks around with her Minnie Mouse doll that talks and sings, and that's her baby, and she loves Minnie Mouse more than Paw Patrol. The only time she wants Paw Patrol is she got nothing to watch or on TV, so she like Paw Patrol. But Minnie Mouse, it'd be jumping for her, so this one for her. And I also got her the number one thing is multivitamin, and this come in handy because my baby likes, sometimes it's a half eater and she don't want stuff like that because I don't know why, because she chooses candy over food, and that's not gonna happen in my household. So that's all for her stuff. Now on to the things that I got for myself and us to share with some. I got me some razors and nail. I got the razors because when I need to shave my legs, my arms, and stuff like that, the person's items of JJ and stuff like that, this will do the work. And I got the Noxzema Spa Shave Triple Blade, so I got this for a good price. It's 4 blades in here, but this is my first time trying these blades because I always use a Shriek razor. So I'm gonna check this out and see what it does. The next thing I got that nail face cream, because the face cream is not for my face because I do have some facial hairs, but it's really for my eyebrows. And if you don't know the eyebrow routine using nail, you gotta look it up. So moving on to that. The next thing I got is Shea Moisture the black soap. The Shea Moisture black soap. I love the black soap because my daughter has eczema and I'm having trouble with my skin as usual. And of course I got some for the doctor, but I use this as an extra strength to keep it from coming back. So my baby has eczema. I have a little bit psoriasis, and I use the African black soap for my body wash and my for JJ vagina. But for those of you don't know, Lord, that child need Jesus. Let me get back on topic, Mimi. For those of you don't know, if you, just a little tip, if you smell fishy sometimes or stinky, I would suggest you to use this because it'll help you. It'll help you a lot. That girl stink. It will help you a lot. If your pee stink when you go to the bathroom and it smell like fish, get you some black soap. Get you some black soap. It will work. Just get all up in there in your JJ and it'll work. Trust me, I use this a lot. It done made my skin smells good and my body smells good all the time. Getting back on the topic, I had to pause for a minute because I really laughing at just, it's a thought that comes in your mind when you think about stuff that happened. It really happened when you're around somebody else or another female and the hygiene is not on point. But anyway, the next thing I got is the eczema psoriasis body lotion, and the body lotion is, this is my first time trying it, and I'm gonna see how it works and smells. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna smell it right now because it don't smell too good, but anyway, I done bought it, so might as well use it. I'm thinking it's got some kind of scent, but it don't have no scent. But this stuff better work on my baby and my body. So on to the next one. I bought some shaving cream because I need shaving cream for shave my legs and stuff like that. You already know, personal hygiene, you gotta take care. Skin Cement is my favorite for sensitive skin, and I'm thinking it's lavender, but I like this. That's the razor I always use. That kind of razor. But this is like, it picks up hair like in no time. Like you can go over your leg one time, it's gone. It's gone. You know, you ain't gotta rerun and nothing about that, like that. Just shave your leg one and go. So this is my favorite, and I've been using this for years and years since I became puberty and younger. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, if you're not using this soap, or if you don't know what it is, they smell really good. Both of them smell really, really amazing. So get you some of these soap. Both of them. The next two I got is my e.l.f. makeup wipes and my Real Techniques blending sponge. See, I got that blending sponge with the little clothes thing because I didn't get another one because my other one is, it's kind of giving out. I used it today, but it's kind of looking oldie. So I just bought a new one, so in case my other go out, I have a backup one. And I need some e.l.f. makeup wipes, so if I need some to remove my makeup, I was running low. I didn't want to go to Dollar Tree because I'm not comfortable in what they'll do to my face. Some people say it don't do nothing, but it's the same thing. But I like to stick with Elf and Neutrogena. King Dog Day. Neutrogena in the micellar water, something like that. Anyway, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. But these two, love. Yes. And the last bag, thank God, I got me some Dove deodorant. Yes, I like the deodorant. It's sprayed. It don't leave no residue or nothing. I got plenty on my shelf. One, two, three. Yeah, I got 3 on my shelf, and I just love these things. I love it. It smells so good. And when you lift your arm up in the middle of the day, you could be reaching for something. You can reach out and smell your arm. It smells good. Oh my God, that one is the one I just put on today. I'm wearing it. It's soothing. Come up. Yeah, I don't know. I'm wearing this today, so yeah, it smells so refreshing, and I love this Dove deodorant spray. So the next one that I got is some Dove foam, the shower foam, and this is my first time using this, and I hope this is give me a good results, because I really heard a lot of people say this is good for the skin when you get out the shower. So yeah, I'm ready to try this tonight and see how it leaves my skin, so I can tell everybody, go purchase it, go purchase it. Yes. The last two that I love, and it's my favorite, is a body lotion for anything. When I'm washing dishes, I dry my hands, I put some lotion on. When I get out of the shower, when I take a bath, I like to use Nivea Shea Butter and Jernigan Ski Butter. I love some shea butter, y'all, but it leaves your skin so soothing and not dry at all. So I use this sometimes, whichever I choose at night to use. I love using both of them because this is a good brand. I don't use all brand stuff. Equate does not give the same feeling as Jernigan. Equate Nivea does not give the same thing as Nivea, the name brand lotion. It does not give the same soothing comfort as the name brand, the new name brand. So stop getting yourself some Equate. I know you glamorous on a budget, so am I glamorous on a budget, but I like getting the real deal. I like getting the real deal. So this complete my Walmart haul. And if you haven't already, so please follow me on my social media: Instagram, Glamorous Mimi, Snapchat, Glamorous Mimi, and Twitter at It's Just Mimi. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and thank you for watching my video. I see y'all beauties later and in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.